Welcome back to our channel visiting Palermo, a city rich in history, culture and traditions. Today, we take you to a special place where the past meets the present in a sweet embrace. We are in Piazza Pretoria, in the heart of Palermo's historic center, just a stone's throw from 4 squares. Here lies the Monastery of Santa Caterina d'Alessandria, a haven of peace and spirituality. Behind these walls hides a sweet and delicious secret, the secrets of the Cloister, a pastry shop like no other. Every day, the staff of The Secrets of the Cloister work with dedication to bring the authentic flavors of Palermo's conventual pastry to the table. The most popular dessert at 𝗍𝗶𝗍𝗀 is the cannoli. This traditional Sicilian dessert is filled on the spot with sweet ricotta cream to ensure prime crispiness, and it is known to be among the best in the area. While the pastry shop offers a variety of other traditional and nearly forgotten recipes, the cannoli stands out as a favorite among visitors for its authentic flavor and quality. Come and discover The Secrets of the Cloister, a corner of paradise where time seems to have stood still. The Secrets of the Cloister, the taste of tradition in every sweet.
In the description, you will find useful links and offers dedicated to you.
If you have any doubts or questions, write in the comments below and we will answer you as soon as possible. Help us grow by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you and see you at the next video.